Guys, what's up? Now I gonna play Offroad Outlaws, and let's buy a truck this and buy this truck, and kind of want to upgrade, customize body. No, no tires. Not that one. This one looks good. Oh man, I cannot afford it. Wait, no, I don't buy this. Okay, I can paint this. There's blue, more blue window tint to black, and glossy, matte. I think so. Glossy looks better. How much? $500. Done. And put it like an idea. Wait, just put it over here. And now let's upgrade. Not that. I just put my camera here. Not tuning. Oh, wait, not this. $5,000 for monster trucks expense. Buy that. Yes, I want to buy and put my camera there. Buy that. Done. Now looks like my car is kind of good. Put more. Not the rim size. I about to sneeze, but no. Okay, done. Trying out the flex. That looks good. Okay, and out, and now let's play the game. Single player or multiplayer. Don't have connection, so find single player. Whoa, what is that sound? Oh, it's raining. 4-wheel, that's too loud. So there you go. This boom, the out. Now here is a trial. Now let's beat it. Go. Come on, you can do it, truck. And now I don't want to go down. Oh, what I miss? Oh my god. Flip, I'm stuck. Help. There we go, finally. And go here. There. 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 And there. There. Bless you. $500 for 12 noob. What does that mean? I'm a noob. Bless you. And now it's exploring. Bless you. What is this hole? I don't know why. That there. Now let's jump this. Or maybe not. Oh, wait, there's a box here. Oh, I got 22 gold and a lot of. Bless you. I'm sick, guys, so it's fine. No, just restarted the small area. There's only one box. That's kind of disappointing. Bless you. And now let's go back. Pause. Exit. Wait, what is this? Not. No, where's the. Oh man. Stop. 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 Where's the X button? Finally, so long. Roblox. I want Roblox. Wait, what? Welcome to this new. Okay, weeks. Now what's new? Chucks. Sport. Okay, that's too expensive. No, cannot buy that. That's money. What's on the back? Oh, this guy. And this guy. This guy. This guy. This guy. Exclusive. Become the member. 6 days to 23 hours. Two days and 23 hours. 14 days, 23 hours. There's nothing new in this, just scamming. Always scamming people. What is